Hey guys, welcome back to Gabe's Garage. Behind me I got my GX470 and we're gonna try to put some 35-inch tires on it. So there's a couple things we gotta do. We gotta do a body mount shop and we gotta do a little bit of trimming. So let's get this thing on the air and let's start having some fun. There's a couple things we're gonna need. We're gonna need the sledgehammer. We're gonna need some kind of pliers, whatever you have, to grab some stuff. Metal grinder, cut up these, grinding these. The plates, so we can weld them back on. Some wire brushes and paint. And also, we need Baby Groot because he gave us good luck. So what we're trying to do here is to cut this mount because it comes out a lot and it's gonna rub on the tires, and then we're gonna have to weld this plate somewhere, something like that. So I'm gonna start doing some rough cuts and see how close I can get it, and then we're just gonna weld it. Okay guys, so I got the bottom cut out, as you can see. Now I can get my blade in there and cut it. And I'll be honest with you, I was a little bossy when I made that cut. I should have made it a little bit longer just in case, but I think that once we put the plate in it, it's gonna be okay to weld. And what you don't want to do is cut where the plate is gonna be touching this mount. You want it as close as possible but not touching it. So let's see what it turns out. Guys, let me show you something real quick. Whenever you get a disc and you see that, replace it, because that disc is about to blow up and you're gonna get some pretty ugly scratches. So replace that. So I'm done with the cutting. I think it looks pretty good. I'll show you. These plates, I got them from one of my friends. He gave it to me for free. I also talked to a couple of the local guys, and one of them told me that he could do the same job for $150. I didn't have to bring anything. I just bring my truck and he'll do it for me for $150, and it would be a lot better quality. But I do have this thing working on cars, and I take pride of what I do and I love what I do. It's just a little hobby, you know, so why not do it myself if I already got the pieces and everything I need to. Let's check the fitment. Check this out. Oh, that's pretty close. So we're gonna weld them and let's see what it look like. This is the issue. That's my welder, right? This is not my welder, but that welder has shielding gas, but my tank is at another shop. This one is flux core, and like I hate welding with flux core now, because after you start welding with shielding gas, it's so much better. And I'm not a welder, so y'all can burn me down to the ground for these welds, but I sold my house and I don't have a garage. That's why I'm here. So I gotta use whatever I have, and whatever I have is that. So let's see what it come out to be like. Not my best welds, and I can clean them up a little bit with a grinder, but that will do. We're done with the body mount shop, and now we're gonna do the pinch weld. If you remove the inner fender, right here you can see that pinch weld right there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna slice it with the cutter, the grinder, and then we're gonna hammer it towards the wall to gain that little extra clearance. Alright guys, we're done. So what you wanna do is slice it with the grinder and cutting disc, and then right here in this little corner you're gonna cut it like, kind of hard to explain, diagonal a little bit, and then you're gonna smash this with a hammer towards the wall. When you cut it, make sure you only cut the pinch weld and not the fender. Now I'm just gonna put some paint in it so it don't get rusted, and that's it. We're done. Let's put them 35 on it and see how much clearance we got. Alright guys, so yesterday I did the BMC and the pinch weld. Today I'm working on the trimming for the bumpers, and I'm gonna show you most of it. I'm doing it eyeballing it, except for the front bumper that I wanted to look as equal on both sides as I can. Let me show you what everything is looking like. And here you can see the BMC, you can see the pinch weld as well. I already put some kind of rubberized paint on it so it doesn't get rusted. This fender right here, I cut it a little bit, and then the plastic trim as well. As you can see, it's cut it for the front bumper. It's also cut on the bottom. That's what it would look like from far. The rear bumper, I took the mud flaps off. I'm cutting it from like right where the mud flap goes, and down there, like I say, I'm just eyeballing that part. So there is no right or wrong here. What you want to do is grab a piece of cardboard and hand trace on one side, like however you want your cut. And what I did to make it almost as close as possible is you measure from here to where the cut is gonna start. That way both cuts are the same, because you're just gonna mark the cardboard that you already traced, and then you just cut that piece off. Alright guys, so the GX is done. You already seen it. I love it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. I cannot be happier with the fuel wheels that I picked up. I think it looks amazing with the color of the truck. I'm really hyped. I'm really happy. I'm really hyped up for this build. I'm loving the way it's looking. So yeah, that's it for today. Please don't forget, if you like this kind of content, just go ahead and subscribe down below. And yeah, I'm gonna keep putting content like this. So hope you like it. Like I say, just let me know down below in the comments what you think about the truck. And if you got any questions, also let me know. I will answer every comment. I will try to answer it. So I'll see you around.